Hello, my dear aspirants. Welcome to my YouTube channel Crack Lakshay. In today's session, we are going to practice almost 50 questions on the topic books and author. So, without any delay, let's get started. So, we'll start from Indian authors. The first question is who wrote The Discovery of India? So, the answer is option C, that is Jawaharlal Nehru. Question number 2, author of My Experiments with True. Everybody should know about this. The answer is option A, Mahatma Gandhi. Question number 3, who wrote Gitanjali? So the answer is option B, Rabindranath Tagore. Question number 4, who wrote India Wins Freedom? So the answer is option C, Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad. Question number 5, who is the author of Train to Pakistan? So the answer is option A, Khushwant Singh. Question number 6, author of The Guide. So the answer is option A, R.K. Narayan. Question number 7, book Wings of Fire is written by whom? So the answer is option B, that is Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Question number 8, author of A Suitable Boy. So the answer is option A, that is Vikram Seth. Question number 9, who wrote The White Tigers? So the answer is option C, Arvind Adiga. Question number 10, who wrote The Inheritance of Loss? So the answer is option B, that is Kiran Desai. Question number 11, who is the author of The Old Man and the Sea? So the answer is option A, that is Ernest Hemingway. Question number 12, who wrote Hamlet? So the answer is option B, William Shakespeare. William Shakespeare is a very famous author. He had wrote many of the books. If you know any other, let me know in comment. Question number 13, author of Pride and Prejudice. So the answer is option B, that is Jane Austen. Question number 14, who wrote Animal Farm? So the answer is option A, George Orwell. Question number 15, author of 1984. So the answer is again option A, George Orwell. Question number 16, who wrote War and Peace? So the answer is option B, that is Leo Tolstoy. Question number 17, who is the author of Crime and Punishment? So the answer is option B, that is for Dostoevsky. Question number 18, who wrote A Tale of Two Cities? So the answer is option A, Charles Dickens. Question number 19, who wrote Great Expectations? So the answer is again option B. Question number 20, author of The Adventures of Tom Sawyer. So the answer is option B, that is Mark Twain. Question number 21, author of The Da Vinci Code. So the answer is option B, that is Dan Brown. Question number 22, who wrote Harry Potter series? I think everybody should know who loves Harry Potter series. So answer is option C, J.K. Rowling. Author of The Alchemist. So the answer is option A, Paul. Question number 24, who wrote To Kill a Mockingbird? So the answer is option A, Harper Lee. Question number 25, Who is the author of the Kite Runner? So the answer is option C, Khaled Hosseini. Question number 26. Who wrote The Fault in Our Stars? So the answer is option B, that is John Green. Question number 27. Author of The Immortals of Meloa. So the answer is option A, that is Amish Tripathi. Question number 28. Who wrote 5 Point Someone? So the answer is option C, that is Chetan Bhagat. Question number 29. The author of The Girl on the Train. So the answer is option B, that is Paula Hawken. Question number 13. Author of Gone Girl. So the answer is option B, that is Gillian. Question number 31. Who wrote Godan? So answer is option B, Premchand. I think here all are Indian authors and writers. Let's see. Question number 32. Author of Kamaini. So the answer is option C, Jai Shankar Prasad. If you all don't able to remember the foreign authors or writers, at least remember the answer, like authors and writers of Indian books. It's very important, which usually come in exams. So let's see. Question number 33. Who wrote Rashmi Rathi? So the answer is option B, that is Ramdhari Singh Dinkar. Question number 34. Author of Madhushala. So the answer is option A, that is Harivansh Rai Bachchan. Question number 35. Book Indra, India's most powerful prime minister, is written by answer answer is option C, that is Sagarika Ghose. Question number 36. Who is the author of Why I Am Aesthetics? So, atheist, sorry. So, the answer is option B, Bhagat Singh. Question number 37. Who wrote The Accidental Prime Minister? So, the answer is option A, Sanjaya Baru. Question number 38. Author of An Era of Darkness. So the answer is option C, Shashi Tharoor. Question number 39. Book Playing It My Way is the autobiography of whom? So the answer is option B, that is Sachin Tendulkar. This is very important question, usually come in SSC exams or any FCAT or defense exams. So do remember it. Next question, question number 40. Book One Life is Not Enough is written by, answer is Natwar Singh. Question number 41. Author of A Brief History of Time. So the answer is option B, Stephen Hawking. Question number 42. Who wrote The Monk Who Sold His Ferrari? So the answer is option Robin Sharma, option B. Question number 43. Author of Think and Grow Rich. So answer is option A, that is Napoleon Hill. Next question, question number 44. Who wrote You Can Win? So the answer is option A, Shiv Khera. Question number 45. Author of Rich Dad Poor Dad. So answer is option B. I think this book everyone should read. You can read at least once. Question number 46. Who wrote Man's Search for Meaning? So the answer is option A, Victor. Question number 47. Author of Wuthering Heights. So the answer is option B, Emily Bront. Question number 48. Who wrote Frankenstein? So the answer is option A, Mary Shelley. Question number 49. Who is the author of Dracula? So the answer is option B, that is Bram Stoker. And the last question, who wrote Les Miserables? So the answer is option A, Victor Hugo. If you all like my content and information regarding books and author, do like, subscribe my channel. Jai Hind.